Watch this video to see the Fax Kit installation process. To begin, press the Power, Wake button and select Power Off. Open the front door and set the main power switch to off, then disconnect the power cord. On the rear of the printer, remove 2 thumb screws for the cover panel. Slide the fax module partway into the printer. Release the 2 cables and connect them to the fax module. Use 2 thumb screws to secure the fax module. Place the metal cover from the fax kit over the fax module. Install 3 more thumb screws to secure the cover. Connect the telephone line. After connecting power, turn on the printer. Touch the device icon. Select Apps. Touch Fax, and then Fax Line to configure the country and other settings.